Dear student, today we will learn handling of prescription. I am Dr. Inayat Bashir Pathan, Assistant Professor, Government College of Pharmacy, Aurangabad. Now see the learning outcomes. After watching this video, student will able to define prescription and handling of prescription. The patient can complete his pre-registration form from home through the telephonic contact, where the patient can save the time. After contacting and taken the appointment, then the patient can visit to the hospital. In hospital, the doctor will check the patient for any disease or any other problem. Doctor will give prescription to the patient. The prescription is defined as is an order from a doctor, dentist or veterinary practitioners for the supply of medicine, dressing or appliances to the patient under the supervision of pharmacist. The patient will visit to pharmacy for medicine. In pharmacy, the pharmacist is responsible for confirmation of all the legal and other aspects of the prescription received from the patient or his relative. Pharmacist should confirm the name and other details of the patient. Next, the various steps involved in dispensing of medicament. First is the receiving, reading and checking of prescription, compounding, packaging and labeling, and physical checking of finished product, and finally pricing and record keeping. Next, prescription should be checked for any incompatibility, compounding. On confirmation and reading, checking and understanding the prescription, the pharmacist must perform the calculation if necessary before starting the compounding process. Next step, the pharmacy will check the medicament in his pharmacy. He will check the different dosage form, whether it is tablet, capsule, what are the different medicament. After checking, he will collect all the medicine The next he will go for the packing and labeling. The medicament after dispensing should be packed in a suitable container so that it can be easy for handling and storage by the patient. The dosage form is packed in a container like glass, plastic bottle, paper, plastic envelope, cardboard box. The container should be suitable so as to protect the drug in an available environment till its shelf life. Next, after the packaging and labeling, the final checking of the medicament will be done. The physical checking of the finished product dispense preparation should be checked once again for the reading, interpretation, calculation, dispensing, check for the appropriate dosage form, prescribed and drug interaction, identity of the medicine, dispense, suitability of container, label and counter signature of the pharmacist. So after checking, the medicament which is to be dispensed will be recorded in the computer. So record keeping in the computer, the record keeping of dispensed product is essential for the effective management of dispensary, for verification of the stock used in the dispensary, for a backtracking of dispensed product if any complication arises, for a legal requirement. So after the record keeping, the medicament are dispensed to the patient. So during the dispensing, after appropriate record keeping, the medicine are is issued to the patient with instructions regarding when to take medicine, how to take medicine and how to store the medicine.